Welcome back to the channel, guys. Welcome back to another video. I did have some codes pop up on my Cruze again. This time it was p0171 and p2096. It said lean bank 1 and one was like, I forgot what it said, but I had the codes in my phone. But I figured it out. It was my downstream O2 sensor. I took it off, I put it back on and it worked. So I'm gonna show y'all what it did and how it works. Let's go. Let's see if we can see it. So it is right there. So I went under the car. I have these two ramps I drove up on. Went under the car. I used my O2 sensor socket. I got it off, put a new one on. And it fixed both the codes. Let's see if I can zoom in. Come on, there it is. So that one right there. And you ratchet and get it up to here. Then you're able to turn it and break it down. But yeah, got it fixed, the codes went away. I just thought I'd let y'all know. So it is a downstream O2 sensor, this is upstream. So I think the downstream is the one after the catalytic converter, and the upstream is the one above the catalytic converter, or on the catalytic converter. So I changed that one out when I first bought the car just to make sure. And I figured the second one would go out soon because it has 149,000 miles. So I figured things will start going out about now. But yeah, fixed both the codes, p0171 and p2096. So thank y'all so much for watching. Hey, what are you doing? Be careful.